Good morning. I don't even know what I really want to say. I need to do my makeup. Ooh, I am looking super, like my skin is not cute today. I've noticed my skin has looked not great lately. So something's going on. I think it's maybe stress from all the graduation and the buildup of that, the car accident, things like that. So maybe, and then I don't know, maybe it's also because I switched my makeup. As you guys know, I've been starting to use a BB cream. So anyway, we are gonna do my makeup, except I'm not going to show you guys me doing the makeup. You're just gonna see this before and after. What a difference makeup can make, at least on me. All right, so I need to make my bed because I'm gonna be filming a Dollar Tree haul, which is right there. I also just made some coffee, so I'm gonna pour myself a cup, and then I think I'm gonna relax a little and watch I Love Lucy, which I didn't even know was on Amazon Prime. Peasant. All right, let's get Lucy turned down so that I can show. And this is the episode where Ricky asks for a raise, and so they've called the club to make reservations, and then they're gonna cancel it when they realize Ricky isn't at the club anymore. It's a hilarious episode, completely underrated. Okay, so I've had my cup of joe, and this is what I've been doing because I placed an order for Walmart. So I think we're gonna have some grocery hauls for today's video. So I hope you guys like it. Let me know if you like to see my grocery hauls, and yeah, so just let me know. I know that you guys want recipe videos. Really, where you're gonna start seeing things like that once my daughter goes off to college. So don't you worry. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. But anyway, this is all what was in the fridge that has got to go. Things that unfortunately expired, and bread that's out and a little bit molded. I don't like bananas like that. They're good for banana nut bread and stuff like that, banana bread, which I've actually made on my channel, and I love it. So, you know what, maybe I'm gonna keep those and make some banana bread. I just need to check the ingredients again and see if I have everything. But again, just a bunch of things that expired. These are some of the cupcakes that I ordered, which was part of how bad graduation day went. Everything was going wrong. They messed up the huge cake that I paid hundreds of dollars for. Then the cupcakes, yeah, by the time we got them home, the icing, it was so hot that the icing, and they just kind of, I don't know, I'll show you guys. That happened. So like the icing like slipped off, and they were supposed to have had little tassels, and the tassels broke. And here is kind of what is left over that I went through, made sure nothing was expired. So I pick up my groceries from Walmart a little later, and I went ahead and refilled drinks, refilled water. I'm actually not drinking that much soda lately, so I'm really happy about that. I let myself have one Canada Dry a day, and sometimes not even that. So, but I'm also not drinking enough water, so I need to just drink a lot of water. And I'm actually thinking about getting rid of the whole water bottle system and doing like those big jugs that you refill like at Walmart. So, talk about that a little later, but that's basically what I've done so far. I just finished filming my Dollar Tree haul, and I've been kind of cleaning up my setup, recycling like the bags, and stuff and getting everything organized. This is my usual system. After I film, I separate my stuff and get them where they need to go. So for example, turmeric, I need to take to the kitchen and put it in my vitamin cabinet. I brought over the shaving cream, put this in this little section, which my daughter takes up to her room. So we're gonna get this, put that there. Those are some vitamins I need to take. And then that needs to go in my laundry room. And I did end up making my room, as you can see. Now I need to turn off the lights because I'm not really gonna be in here. I need to get this put up, which goes in that closet. And then this needs to go in my craft room. I'm actually running out of space. My what do you call it? My coloring books go over there. As a matter of fact, I think I'm probably gonna sit down later today and film a separate vlog and do my coloring book collection video, because today is gonna have the grocery haul and all of that, and that'll be a long enough video. Oh, that's really light. All right, so we're doing today's daily haul right here, just so that you guys can see this gate. This is what I wanted. I didn't want to have to deal with mounting stuff, and that gate that I had hauled before, it isn't like a removable gate. You can't just pick it up and move it to another place that you want to put it. It's literally like wherever you install it, that's where it has to go, because you literally screw holes into, and then this attaches, whatever. Okay, this is kind of what I was going for, and this is even better because I feel like it'll sit up against the staircase pretty decently, and I like the color, so it's doesn't look too cheap, and from what I read, this one actually extends out the furthest from all the other ones, and the gap in the staircase, which you're gonna see in a second, is pretty wide. So all right, we're gonna get some scissors, clip this off. Let's see, I forget how you do this stuff, really, truly. You went too far. All right, so basically it's not really secured. As you can see, it's just kind of laying. They do actually sell things that you can attach to the banister and then secure this to the banister, but I'm not trying to do all that. I don't think that Loxy will even attempt this because of how tall this is. So, and even if she were to push on it, it's not gonna fall all the way back. So that's really good. And I feel like it needs to be laying like this because it's so high that to hop around it is gonna be impossible. So people are gonna have to kind of like move it out of the way and then put it back. And that is a pain. It would be nice to have something fancy like a gate. You just pull the gate open, you walk in and close the gate behind you. But you know what, $20, it saves me the headache of Loxy going up these, I can't tell you the amount of hair, have to vacuum from these steps, the amount of hair that just seems, but I also need to fix that by getting a dog blow dryer thing that blows out their undercoat, which is why they shed. And it's grocery haul time. I feel kind of bad because I feel like my grocery hauls are pretty similar. I get repetitive things, but if you're interested, here we go. So I got baby arugula and baby spinach because I am gonna be making egg, bacon, cheese sandwiches and putting arugula in it. I got some of my eggs. I got the honey butter flaky biscuits. It has to be the flaky kind. I don't really like the original biscuits. Strawberries, kiwi, some turkey. I'm gonna go back to eating my turkey sandwiches with my chips. I feel like that was oddly enough really easy on my stomach, so I'm going back to that. I've got all of my favorite yogurts, Fage Total, the strawberry 2%, the Chobani's, which has the fruit at the bottom. I usually do strawberry banana, but I went with strawberry this time. So I got 2 of those, 4 of these. And let's see, this, I made a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I just forgot to put it back in the fridge. I got my Chobani drink yogurts, strawberry banana. These are my absolute favorite, love them. Green onions. I think I'm gonna be making corn dip, but what else did I get this for? I don't remember. I got the squeezable yogurts. We're yogurt people, but these are for my daughter, strawberry banana. And then the snack trios. This is my favorite trio with the cheese, the dried cranberries, and the chocolate. So I got 4 of those. Loxie hasn't had some rawhides in a while, so I got her a pack of those. So cucumber for pasta salad. I got red, green, and a yellow bell peppers. I love bell peppers. I make with broccoli, salt, pepper, olive oil, some red onion, garlic, and I broil it in the oven. It's so delicious. I got some cookies. It's been a while since I picked up these cookies. They're actually really good. And mild cheddar cheese. These are my faves. So this is all the stuff that has to go into the refrigerator. Over here is all the dry stuff. It's summertime. I hate looking at processed food, but listen, I mean, kettle cooked mesquite barbecue. These are for Loxie, but doesn't it kind of look like real human food? So these are for Loxie. And aged white cheddar lunch packs. I prefer these single individuals because then my daughter doesn't open up a big bag of chips and it goes stale. I swear teenagers drive me nuts. Creamy chicken, you guys know I love this rice, it's my favorite. The Pringles barbecue. These are the chips I have with lunch. Cheddar jalapenos, they are everything. Mint chocolate Milano cookies, those are my daughter's favorite. I needed some more trash bags. I like the Force Flex. These are awesome. So, peanut butter Captain Crunch. This is a CraftyGirl favorite from when I was little. And I was just in the mood, and I also was shopping on the app Hungry, which is a really bad thing to do. But I just was like, you know what? I'm going for it. I got these Nutter Butter little 2 cookie packs. I love Nutter Butter. It's something I recently discovered, and I don't know how I've lived my life all these years without it. 1 avocado. The reason why I do very little in veggies and fruit is because I feel like it just goes wasteful, and I'd rather get it knowing I'm going to use it, and then I can always run a Tom Thumb and get more. These 12-pack of cookies, they're the fudge stripes for my daughter. This is the peanut butter I had earlier. I just need to tighten it up and put it up. And croissants, I'll make her ham, egg, and cheese croissants, which I've done on my channel. So I'm sure it was my vlog channel, so I'll link it down below. Here's the sour cream and onion, Pop-Tarts, chewy granola s'mores. These are all my daughter's favorites. The pasta salad, it's also for her because I'm not a pasta salad person. Double stuffed Oreo. Oreos are really, really bad for you. So I feel like a horrible person getting them knowing just how bad they are. But we really do eat these in moderation, and not even so much me, but my daughter. And usually, like, there was a year there where I didn't buy it at all. So I think after this pack, I'm gonna quit her off of Oreos again. Nutri-Grain, breakfast bars, and then this little pack of Chips Ahoy, Nutter Butters, and some more Oreos. Really, I get it for these 2. This just happens to be in here. My daughter doesn't like it because it's not the double stuffed. And I don't blame her. There really is a difference in taste with, it was just too much cookie otherwise, I guess. And some milk. I also got my Gatorades, so I love the grape Gatorade. I got some bananas, and I also got my daughter's Gatorade, which I already put in here, and then I realized, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta do my haul. So those are her favorite, and I'm gonna get all of this filled up. And it's all filled up. I still have to go to Tom Thumb, get the parfaits, and get the other fruits that I don't like to get at Walmart. I need to get watermelon, pineapple, mango slices, and I even need to get hamburger meat because I'm gonna grill out burgers. And yeah, so I think that's about it. I'm actually not doing as much cooking as of lately just because I'm so busy and my life is just in a different place, and I'm ordering a lot more. It is what it is, so I'm trying not to overbuy. I tend to do that, I think, out of habit, and then I'm like, okay, all this is going bad, and I absolutely hate that. So I'm only trying to buy for one meal ahead of time. So anyway, like tonight, you know, my daughter is going out with her friends, and you know, why really don't want to feel like making dinner for myself when I can just either make a quick sandwich or DoorDash or whatever that stuff is. But anyway, that's it. The pantry, getting a little low on soda, but I got bread and all that stuff, and I put up the cereal. I take everything out of their boxes so that we can see them. I still love this whole system. It's working out fabulously, all from Dollar Tree. Obsessed. Honestly, my life has been so much easier. You can see food so much better. So yeah, I got everything put away, and that's it, you guys, for today's vlog. I feel like it's probably going to be a long one. Thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next vlog.
Now look, Lucy, you gotta stop even thinking that Ethel is Madame X.